Question number 12. Samita has a recurring deposit account in a bank of rupees 2000 per month at the rate of 10% per annum. If she gets rupees 83,100 at the time of maturity, find the total time for which the account was held. Amount deposited by Samita. P is equal to rupees 2000. Rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum. Time period N is equal to, find the total time we want to find. If she gets rupees 83,100 at the time of maturity, maturity is equal to matured value rupees 83,100. First we find interest, that is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R upon 100. So interest is denoted by I and P is given 2000 rupees. P is equal to 2000 and N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12, that is 24. Rate of interest is 10%. So 0 is cancelled and 12 2s are 24, 10 2s are 20 and 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Interest is equal to 5 into 5, that is 25, divided by 3 N into N plus 1. Its interest. Matured value is equal to P into N plus interest and given matured value, maturity is equal to 83,100 rupees. 83100 is equal to P is 2000 and plus interest we get 25 upon 3 N into N plus 1. Three multiply by 2000, 3 multiply by 83100. 83100 multiply by 3 is equal to 3 2s are 6000 N plus 25 N into N plus 1. 0 0 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24 is equal to 6000n plus 25n square plus 25n. This implies 25n square plus 6025n minus 249,300 is equal to 0, and we are taking common 5. That is 5n square plus 5, 12 5s are 60, 0 5 5s are 25n minus 249,300 divides 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 9 and 5 9s are 45, 4 3, 5 8s are 43, 0 5 6s are 30 and 1 0. 5n square plus 1205n minus 49860 is equal to 0. 5 is not equal to 0, and we are taking common 5 once again. We get n square plus 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, n minus 5 9s are 45, then 48, 5 9s are 45, and 36, 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. 5 not equal to 0 means n square plus 241n minus 9972 equal to 0. And prime factors of 9972. 2 4s are 8, 9 2s are 18, 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 3 8 3s are 24, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, and 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 2s are 36, 277 minus 36, we get 142, 241. So n square plus 277n minus 36n minus 9972 equal to 0. 277 minus 36, that is equal to 241n. So n common, n plus 277, n plus 277 minus 36 equal to 0, n minus 36 and n plus 277 equal to 0, n is equal to 36 positive, n means month, n is equal to time is equal to 36 month. So required time for which the account was held. Account was held is equal to 36 months, or 36 months means 3 years. 3 years. Answer. Amount deposited by Smita, P is equal to 2000 rupees and rate of interest is 10% per annum. N, we want to find the value of N, and maturity is equal to 83,100. Interest equal to P into N, N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 multiply by R upon 100. P is equal to 2000 into N, N plus 1 upon 12, 2 are 24 into 10%, 10 upon 100, 0, 0 is cancelled, and we get interest is equal to 25 upon 3 N into N plus 1. And matured value given we have, that is 83,100 rupees, and matured value equal to P into N plus interest I, and P into N means P is 2000 and we find the value of N, 2000 N plus 25 upon 3 N into N plus 1, its interest, and 3 multiplied by 2000, 3 multiplying by 83,100, we get a quadratic equation, that is 25n square plus 6025n minus 249300 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation and we are taking common first, then in bracket 5n square plus 1205n minus 49,860 equal to 0, and we are taking once again common 5. We are taking common 5 and in bracket n square plus 241n minus 9,972 equal to 0. 5 not equal to 0, and it gives a quadratic equation, that is n square plus 241n minus 9972 equal to 0, and we are factorizing 9,972, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 277, 277 minus 36, that is equal to 241. we are splitting, and n square plus 277 n minus 36 n minus 999,972 equal to 0, and we are taking common n in bracket n plus 277 minus 36 is taking common in bracket n plus 277 equal to 0, n minus 36 equal to 0, n plus 277 equal to 0, it gives a negative value, we are rejected, and we are taking n minus 36 equal to 0. This implies n is equal to positive 36, n is equal to 36 months, and 36 months is equal to 3 year. 12 plus 12 plus 12, that is required time is equal to 36 month or 3 year. Answer. Thank you.